So the first shape here is square. The second shape here is rectangle. The third shape given here is parallelogram. And the last one here is triangle. So all these are 2D shapes. So here we are going to calculate the area for square, rectangle, parallelogram and triangle using formula. So first, what do we mean by area? Area is nothing but we are just calculating the surface here. So how much surface does this particular shape occupy? So we are just going to calculate the area for square now. So to calculate area of a square, the formula is side into side, or else we can just cut short that as S into S. So what are the properties of a square first of all? For square, all the four sides are equal. All the four sides are the same. All four sides have the same value. So let me take it as 5 meter. So if this side is going to be 5 meter, automatically all the other sides are going to be 5 meter. So how to calculate area for this? Just multiply side into side, 5 into 5. So my answer here is 25. So here the unit is actually very important. It is meter square, right? Just multiplying two sides, you get meter square. Now, coming to rectangle. The property of a rectangle is opposite sides are equal. So, these two sides are equal and here these two sides are equal. Now, let me take this as 7 centimeter. So, if this side is 7 centimeter, the opposite side is also 7 centimeter. Here, if this side is like around 3 centimeter, this is going to be also 3 centimeter. So how do we calculate the area of a rectangle? So we are just going to multiply the length and the breadth. So this is the length and this is the breadth. Simply multiplying the length and breadth will give you the area of a rectangle. So area of a rectangle is nothing but length into breadth. So what is the length here? 3 into what is the breadth here? 7. So 3, 7 when you multiply, my answer is 21. And remember to write the unit. Unit is given here is centimeter. So it is centimeter square. For area, we are supposed to mention every unit in square units. For area, for it can be for any 2D shapes. Now coming to parallelogram. For parallelogram, you have a base and a height. Now for example, let me assume that the height of this parallelogram is around 3 meter and the base here is around 9 meter. So how do we calculate the area of a parallelogram? Simply by just multiplying the base and height. So which is the base here? 9 meter is the base and height is 3 meter. So when you just multiply the base and the height, my answer here is 27. Again, unit is important. Unit for this is meter. So it is meter square. Now coming to triangle. Here for triangle, you have a base and a height. So here for this, it is around 6 meter and the height of this triangle is 4 meter. So the given measurement here, 6 meter is base and the height is 4 meter. Now what is the formula for area of a triangle? Area of a triangle is nothing but just half of the base and height. So formula is half into base into height. Half into, what is the base here? Base is 6 meter and height is 4 meter. So if you cancel this, 2 1 is 2 and 2 3s are 6. Again 1 into 3 into 4, totally it is 12 meter square. So this is how you calculate area for all the 2D shapes given here: square, rectangle, parallelogram and triangle. So we'll just assess your understanding now in the upcoming questions.